Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about the different scenarios where a Scrum is not suggested. So friend, let's start. First of all, I will request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, not every story about a Scrum is a success story. A Scrum can fail. One of the reasons why many teams don't get the value out of the Scrum they were hoping is that they are trying to use it in a situation or environment where it is not appropriate. No set of practices will work in every single context, and a Scrum is no exception. So, first scenario, when the requirements are not allowed to evolve. Scrum is aimed at solving complex problems, the kinds where we are unable to judge upfront exactly what will be the best solution. That's why Scrum takes an iterative approach, building something, getting feedback, and adjusting the course. Requirements emerge rather than working towards a fixed specifications and scope. We learn what to do, what to deliver. If we have used to having a detailed specification upfront, a Scrum will be a big change. We are saying we don't know quite what we will build or how much of the functionality we will be able to complete within the time frame, but believe us, it will be the best thing possible we could have done. That requires a large amount of trust. Certainly, a fixed product specification may be no guarantee a project will be successful, but it can give a sense of reassurance that is hard to let it go, not least for the customer signing a contract. Next one is when the organization is unwilling to adopt itself to a Scrum. Friend, a Scrum comes with a set of practices that work well together. Leave some out, however, and the result can be very different. Some of these practices are easy for most teams to adopt, others can take a lot more effort to implement and have impact outside the team. Some even makes it necessary to make changes to the organization itself. Not only does Scrum bring with it new job roles in the form of product owner and the Scrum master, we also need cross-functional teams, meaning they need team members who together have all the skills needed to deliver the work from start to finish within a sprint. Cross-functional team require people with skills who may not be the part of the team today. For example, skills in the business analysis, user experience, design, database administration, testing, etc. Next one is the when looking for a one-stop solution to all problems. Scrum wouldn't solve all problems. The state of the Scrum survey from 2015 states that 38% of the Scrum projects fail. Some of those projects would have been doomed regardless of which approach they took. However, there will be a good few that could have been successful projects. A Scrum by itself wouldn't solve any of the following issues: no product vision, lack of good technical practices, skill shortage, conflict in the team. Then next one is the when frequently needing to respond quicker than a sprint allows. Scrum assumes that we can plan what to do in a sprint. When building a brand new product, this is often fairly straightforward. Once the product goes live, though, we tend to start getting requests from stakeholders and users that are affecting the live stream and real users. Right now, these can be bugs or requests for changes or additions. Some of them we can simply add to our backlog and deal with within a future sprint. Others, though, they are urgent and we need to address them now. Uh, Next one is the when people have had bad experiences with Scrum already. Let's also acknowledge that that a lot of weird stuff happens the name of a Scrum. With so many people practicing it, many will have bad experiences of a Scrum not working. They might go as far as saying that a Scrum is not working. The reasons for their experiences may vary. Perhaps they were forced to use Scrum in an environment where it was not appropriate. Maybe they did it wrong, or they used something else that works better for them that Scrum did. In these cases, it is useful to understand where the dis state for Scrum is coming from. It is based on some misunderstanding we can clarify. However, forcing Scrum upon someone is unlikely to be the very successful. After all, a self-managing team decides how to do the work. The ultimate consequences of this is that they can decide whether to use Scrum or not. So, friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues. And thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.